Meet the Laresar P10 cordless robot vacuum and mop. 6,000 pascal suction removes dust, dirt, and pet hair. Smart Gyro navigation maps your home for efficient cleaning. 2-in-1 vacuum and mop for spotless floors. App control lets you schedule and customize cleaning. Carpet care boosts suction on carpets automatically. Slim design reaches under furniture and beds. Long battery covers large homes on one charge. Auto self-charging returns to dock when low. Smart sensors prevent falls and avoid obstacles. Quiet operation won't disturb your family.